Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going through one of my queries left in the comments below by Adil, which is how many ACCA exams should I take in one sitting? Now I'll put the actual article, as you can see on my screen, for all of the potential exams into the description below, so give it a click, it's going to take you straight there. Now it all comes down to working out what is feasible in your life at that present moment. So for me, I took 2 at a time, which was actually 2 of the actual strategic papers. I'll be honest, I failed one. I was absolutely gutted. I thought I worked really hard, but I didn't get the right balance. So if you're a single parent, then you probably only got time for 1. If you've got loads of free time on the weekend, potentially 2. If you haven't already got a mentor at work, I would definitely recommend that. Someone who's already been in that position before will really help you on that as well. As ever, if you found today's video helpful, feel free to subscribe. 131 and definitely taking over the world now. Nearly there. But as always on that bombshell, I'll see you next time. Thank you.